Boy, mumurahin lang to, boy.
Okay na!
Let's go! I usually do. My name is Nansky Halandon, and my role here in Ohana is I'm in charge with the operation and maintenance of the gym and also one of the support team.
I'm Joss. I'm assigned as the marketing lead. How
How-
did you get into fitness?
I used to play basketball lang kasi light lang naman, hindi naman pro, saktong papawis lang. But year 2016, yon, pumasok ako sa fitness. I try CrossFit, hindi pa ako ganun kagaling. Kahit ngayon naman, hindi naman ako ganun kagaling kahit hanggang ngayon. Okay, naggagaling-galingan lang. Okay, but until now, nag-enjoy ako dun sa tatawag nilang CrossFit. And ano pa ba? 2023, nag-start na rin ako ng konting coaching lang sa fitness.
2024, nabudol ako into joining a competition. And then, bigla lang nagustuhan ko siya. Before kasi, I was trying different kinds of workouts. Pero, I didn't really connect with the movements or with how I was moving or mga ganon.
Hindi ka nag-enjoy, kumbaga.
Oh yeah, I did not enjoy what I was doing before. Pero sa ngayon, yung ginagawa natin dito with Ohana, na-enjoy ko siya. Mainly because it's the setting, it's the community, it's the people. So yun, ayun yung nagpa-stay sa akin dito.
Sa fitness.
What's one thing people don't know about you outside the gym?
Outside and inside, same ako eh. Pero yung hindi nila alam, isa akong magaling na kaibigan. And a loving father, of course, and a loving husband. Yun po ako outside the gym. Ikaw, Ami, ano ka sa labas ng gym?
What's one thing people don't know about me outside the gym? Well, I never really outgrow my love for Ariel. As in,
Mermaid.
yeah, I'm a Disney baby talaga all the way. Nance as operating and support team. What's one thing you always make sure is right before people come in?
Oh, that's a heavy questions. Okay, first, of course, bago pumasok, Ohana team, make sure pag pumasok yung kapamilya natin or of course family natin, kailangan ma-feel nila na welcome sila dito sa loob. And isa pa is yung safety. Kailangan safe sila pag nag-workout sila dito sa loob ng Ohana. Yun. Siguro yung iba kasi, they know kung paano binild itong si Ohana. So they feel at home. Kumbaga lahat, di na sila kailangan sabihan na, uy, kunin mo ito ganyan, kunin mo ganyan. Sila na mismo kusang gumagalaw because they feel nga na yung Ohana is bahay na rin nila. Yun yung hindi nakita ng mga, of course, bago nating family.
What makes this place feel different from other gyms?
Oh, madami. Una-una, after workout, maraming pagkain dito. Isa na yon. Oh, hindi nawawala ng pagkain after workout.
Games
Okay.
agad, no?
Yes. Ohana build different
Yeah.
because I think of the community. Yes. Yun na.
How do you want people to experience your brand inside a gym like Ohana?
They will experience the quality programming ni Ohana. Of course, the high-grade coaches. Isa yun. Tsaka yung, tawag dito, yung community na loving.
Yung mic mo.
Loving community. Yun. Okay? Next, ikaw naman. Pagod na ako.
O, basahin mo.
Justine, what story are you always trying to tell about Ohana?
Well, Ohana is more than just a gym. It's about people coming together as a community, pushing each other to be better in terms of fitness, of course. And sometimes, yeah, as a person na rin.
What moment best represent the community here?
It's when you feel like you want to give up, especially during WODs.
Yung mga last minute na, last
Yeah.
dying seconds.
Oo.
Gano'n.
Yung parang ubus na ubus ka na talaga. But then you have the whole community behind your back, cheering you on and pushing you for that one more rep. So,
To
yun.
finish the workout.
Oo,
Kumbaga,
yung pinupush ka talaga hanggang sa last mo na.
last na hininga mo.
Yeah.
Okay. What's one moment at Ohana that made you feel, yeah, this is my home?
Well, recently, as in very recently, I lost my mom.
Yep.
You know that. And the love and the support that I received from our not only members now, no, they're more like family.
Family.
Iba yung na-feel ko na love galing sa kanila.
Yes, yung binigay nila na comfort din sa'yo.
Yeah. That's when I knew na this is home. They are home.
Okay.
Ohana people. Yun na ba yun?
And
That's it.
that's it, guys. Kung may tanong pa kayo, just email me at hernanielondon@gmail.com. Good?
Bye!